Good afternoon, all my beauty professionals. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and an honest review of this hair that I purchased from Love Me. In no way are they sponsoring me, so I just wanted to share this with you and show you how I put my wigs on. There's always some kind of complications, but in the unboxing, I ordered some scalp tape, which I'm going to show you later, some reusable wig caps. It came with two. And then the actual wig, which the lace on it is flawless. I mean, I really have no complaints about it. It's the first wig I want to say I've ever had where it looks really realistic, and that's what sold me on buying it because it looks so natural on the models that were showing it. Then there's a headband inside of it, but I always cut those out because that does nothing for me. You can see the beautiful curls. And then there's a bag to put your wig in. It came with a scarf, a bonnet, very silky and soft. And I actually slept with that last night. It was nice, didn't hurt my ears or anything. And that's just to lay your hair down if you sleep with your wig on. Or if you're getting ready during the day and you don't want to mess your hair up. Love Me card. And the wig caps that look like your actual scalp, very translucent, transparent, I should say. And then there's a beauty blender that comes with it in case you're putting some makeup on your lace to make it blend more, which I don't use that, so I'll be using that for my face. Okay, this is the reusable wig cap that I actually really love. You can see the Velcro strips on there, and the Velcro dots are actually to help keep your wig down. And the inside of the cap has a material that stays on your head so your wig cap won't slide around. These are amazing, so I'll be buying those from now on. So I'm trying my wig on and putting the hooks in the right place. And once I get them in the right notch, then I actually sew them down so they don't wiggle and come in and out. And then this is the scalp tape. And I tried it under my wig and it looked exactly the same, so I ended up not using it. Now, if I used my wig caps that they sent me that are very transparent where you could see my head and it looks like you don't have a wig cap on at all, I would use it. So next time when I decide to use it, then I'll definitely show you guys what it looks like. Right now I'm brushing some of the curls out. You guys, the hair is really soft and silky. It's a little thick on the ends, but you could always use your thinning shears if you want. I'm not going to do that just yet, but if it continues to bother me, I may go through with my thinning shears just to texturize it a little bit and so they won't feel like it's overwhelming for me. So I'm placing the wig on and you'll see me pressing it down in certain areas because it actually sticks onto the Velcro. So once you get it situated on your head the way you want it, you just press in those areas, which I love that idea because then that saves me with having to do tape. And this is just if I don't want to, take my wig on and off. But also, if I do take it off, it's not going to mess up my lace with the tape. Because usually when I have the tape on, I'm not going to take it off for the week. And as you can see, the lace is really not showing until I actually pull on it. Then you can see it. So for demo purposes, I use the lace melting spray that I have. I did not use my extension tape, which I had thought about it, but then I decided, what if I want to come home and take my wig off? I won't be able to with the tape. So I'm just spraying a thin layer of that, and then I'm going to spread it with my rat tail comb, fan it a little. I did not use my blow dryer in this video. I actually forgot to get my blow dryer. And then secondly, that little thing is so powerful, it probably would have blown my wig back off. So it's better to just fan it, and it's just as effective. So I'm just checking where my lace is lifting, spraying a little bit of my lace melting spray, and then I'm going to do the same thing on that side. And what happens is when you dry it with the blow dryer or fanning it, it makes like a tacky residue or layer, or sticky layer, and then the lace sticks down to it. And it doesn't take long either. I actually get this spray from Amazon. And there you have it. I have the wig on. All right, guys, so this is the finished look, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a scarf on and let it sit for about 10 minutes just to hopefully relax some of this down, because that's a little bit too much. But I also at nighttime will put my hair up in a ponytail and then put the scarf over it, so that helps to loosen the curls. And then what I do is I curl my hair with the curling iron like it's a wand. So I actually wand my hair around the curling iron. I don't do what everybody else does, only because it never works for me. So the got to be glued spray and then putting the lace down never works. The glue sometimes works, but as soon as I have a hot flash, the lace is rising up. So I usually use extension tape. With this particular wig, it's supposed to be glueless, and I don't want to mess up my lace. So I used a little bit of lace melt spray, and that usually will last me a couple of days until I'm like really sweating. Then I might see some lifting. But what I love about this lace on this wig is that you honestly can't see it. So we'll see how it looks. All right, guys. Well, what are your thoughts about this? Um, I like it. I have to get used to it because I'm used to doing quick weaves, and then I'm just not bothered with my hair for a couple of weeks. But I can get used to this. And the good thing is I can just snatch it off at night, so I don't have to be stuck with it for 2 or 3 weeks. And that's why I decided to buy a wig. But this company, Luv Me, kept showing up on my Instagram and my Facebook, and I just wanted to try it because it looks so beautiful. The hair looks so beautiful. It's really soft. The curls are set in. These will relax by the end of the week, though. They're already starting to calm down. Um, I have to work on this a little bit, but the scarf should help smooth it down. Um, I like the lace because it looks pretty natural. And I showed you guys earlier that I brought some scalp tape. So if I wanted to, I could put it on, but when I tried it underneath, it looked the same. So you really don't need that. I love the wig cap. It's reusable. And if you saw me peeling the things off, it has Velcro on it, so you can stick parts of the wig down. So there's one here, there's one up in here. to actually keep it to lay down. Now, what I noticed, because I told you usually I use extension tape to lay the lace down, and that's only if I don't want to take the wig off and I don't want to be bothered with taking it off, putting it back on, taking it off. Then I'll do extension tape to lay the lace down so I can just put a scarf on at night and be done with it. But from the melting spray, the lace spray, it's already lifting just from me sweating. So that's why I don't do like everybody else, because that stuff never works for me. And tying the little thin scarf down never works for me. So I just do a whole silky scarf to help lay my hair down. So I just thought I wanted to share that with you guys because, yeah, I wanted to do a review on the Love Me hair, and this is it. This is how it looks. It does separate a little in the back here, so hopefully, as I put my hair up in a ponytail at night, it'll group it together and help it to lay a little better. But overall, I would say a 9.5 out of 10, and in no way am I sponsored by this company. I'm just giving my honest review. So thank you guys so much. Please tune in to Miss V's beauty tutorials. I'm going to be doing some special effects coming up within the next week. And thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. God bless you guys.